Hello, welcome. Let us have a problem based on cyclic properties of circles. The problem is figure based. The given figure is this. In this figure, O is the center of the circle. AOE is the diameter of the circle. The diameter of the semicircle. Circle is not given, semicircle. And AB is equal to BC given. And also angle AEC is given 50 degree. This complete angle is given as 50 degree. If it is so, we have to find angle CBE, CDE and also angle AOB. And also one more is given that prove that OB is parallel to AC. Okay. Let us work out one by one. First let us work out for first bit. Solution. For the first bit let us work out. So what is given is angle AEC is given 50 degree. So angle ABC is AECB is a cyclic quadrilateral. So angle ABC equal to 180 minus angle ABC is equal to 180 minus angle AEC because they are the opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral. Because when you make it circle, it will be a circle. Okay. So that equal to 180 degree minus angle AEC is given as 50 degree, that is 130 degree. But we have to find angle CBE. We know that angle ABE is 90 degree because this is the angle in a semicircle. Angle ABE is equal to 90 degree because this is the angle in a semicircle. Angle in a semicircle. Okay. So now we have to find angle CBE, that is angle CBE is equal to angle ABC minus angle ABE. Angle ABC we got 130 degree and angle ABE 90 degree. That gives you 40 degree. So we got angle CBE, this one 40 degree. Okay. Now let us work out for second bit angle CDE. Okay. Let me clear this first bit and do second bit here. So we got angle ABC and we have to remember angle ABC complete angle 130 degree we got. Now let me work out for second bit. For the second bit we have to find angle CDE. So already we got angle CBE 40 degree. Angle CDE and CBE are opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral CBED. So angle CDE is equal to 180 degree minus angle CBE. They are the opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral CBED. So that is 180 degree. CBE we got 40 degree, that is 140 degree. So angle CDE we got 140 degree. Okay. Now let us work out for third angle, angle AOB. For this angle let us work out. So this is angle AOB is the angle at the center, angle AEB is the angle at the circumference. But complete angle is given to us. Very interesting question this is. Angle AEB is equal to angle BEC, that is equal to angle AEC by 2 because AB is equal to BC. As AB is equal to BC, this complete angle also will be divided into two equal parts. So the angle subtended by arc AB and arc BC at the circumference will be equal. So that implies angle AEB is equal to angle BEC. Angle AEC is 50 degree by 2, that is 25 degree. So this angle 25. So angle AOB is the angle at the center. Angle AEB is the angle at the circumference. So angle AOB is equal to twice of angle AEB, that is 2 into 25 degree, that gives you 50 degree. Why reason? Because angle at center is equal to twice the angle at the circumference. Okay, subtended by the same work we can write. So with this 3 beats we found. Now we have to prove that OB is parallel to CE. When if we want to show that two lines are parallel, either we can see whether the pair of interior alternate angles are equal, or we have to see whether the co-interior angles are supplementary or corresponding angles are equal. Here we can see angle BEC we got 25 degree. Let us find angle OBE. If this is also 25 degree for these two angles, these two are interior alternate angles, and if a pair of interior alternate angles are equal, the lines are parallel, that we can show. So let us work out to get the angle OBE. Now I am clearing the board here. In order to show OB parallel to EC, let me work out. For that, let us find angle OB. In order to find angle OBE, we have to find angle ABO. See, in triangle AOB, OB is equal to OE. So these two angles will be equal. Okay. Angle AOB just now we got. In triangle AOB, angle BAO is equal to angle ABO, that equal to 180 minus angle AOB by 2, that equals to angle ABO is equal to 180 minus angle AOB is 50 degree by 2, that is 130 degree by 2, that gives you angle ABO is 65 degree. So this is 65, this is 65, 130 and 50. Okay. Now this one was 65. So now we can find angle OBE. Angle OBE is angle ABE minus angle ABO. Okay. Angle ABE, angle at the angle in a semicircle 90 degree. Already we have done. So let us have that. So angle ABE is 90 degree. Now angle ABO we got 65 degree, that equals to 25 degree. So now angle OBE 25 degree. Just before that I have shown angle BEC is 24 degree. So angle OBE is equal to angle BEC, that equal to 25 degree, and these two are interior alternate angles. And if a pair of interior alternate angles are equal, the lines are parallel. So OB is parallel to EC. That is what we have to prove, and that is proved. Okay? So step by step if we do, it will be easy for us. I hope this is clear to you. Thank you.